Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can edit your Shopify coming soon page. This is a quick tutorial and easy to follow. All you need to do, guys, you want to drop a like on this video, so that would be highly appreciated. Now let's get started right now. Now what you guys need to do to edit the Shopify coming soon page, you just need to log into your own Shopify store. That's the first step. And then after that, what you guys need to do next, you want to click here where it says online store and then click on preferences. Okay, and then scroll down, and here you can make some changes. Of course, I'm going to show you guys how you can edit, like change the background, how you can add a message to your customers, how you can change this opening soon message, how you can change this be the first to know when we launch. You can change a lot of things here. I'm going to show you how you can do that. Now first, if you want to add, for example, a message to your visitors, for example, I love you, we are coming soon, we know that we took so long, we are so just, this is not professional, of course, and you can you can type whatever you want here. For example, message to your visitors, this is just an example. I love you, we are coming soon, we know that we took so long, we are sorry. Click on save, and each people, like if people visit your own Shopify store, and you will see this message in the top, as you can see. I'm going to click here. Okay, now you will see this message. You can see here, I love you, you can see it here. Okay, so you will see this message whenever they visit your own Shopify store. Now to change, for example, the background, to change this opening soon text or anything like that, just what you need to do, guys, you want to click here online store, and what you guys need to do next after you click on online store, you want to just click here, okay, where it says customize. All right, now after, guys, you click on customize, you want to click here where it says home page, and then you want to scroll down and make sure you click here on password, and now this is your page. Okay, this is what your customers see when they try to visit your own Shopify store. Now, for example, coming soon, you can change it. For example, this coming soon, you can make it bigger, or you can change the text completely here. Just click on it 2 times and you will be able to change here. You can also make the text larger, as you can see. Also make sure everything you change here, make sure you click on save, so that you can save your changes. Now here, for example, the background, you can also change the background. Okay, you can also change, for example, you can add an image here. You can also explore free images that you can add to your background. Click here, and then you can click, for example, this, you can select this image, and then after that you want to click on save. Okay, so you can also, like I said, you can also change this, be the first to know when we launch. You can also change the place of this one. For example, I'm going to change it here. Okay, now I'm going to click here. Now we change the place here. All right, now what you guys need to do, like I said, you can make a lot of changes here. For example, I'm going to change this to this one. Now this is exactly how it's going to look like. Okay, so if your customers now visit your own Shopify store, after you click here, click on select, make sure you click on select, and then click on save in the top. And then make sure you save your changes. Like I said, you can make a lot of things. Image overlay capacity, you can make it bigger if you want. You can show background image if you want to if you don't want to show background image, you can do that. Here, the banner height, you can also make it smaller, or desktop content position, you can make it here, the top right. And here you can make a lot of changes here. Now after you finish, what you guys need to do, you want to click on save, and that's exactly how you can edit or change your Shopify coming soon page. Hopefully this video, guys, helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys in the next video.